Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. We'll explore their core differences to help you decide which editor best suits your workflow. Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is a powerful, feature-rich, and free editor. Sublime Text, on the other hand, is known for its speed and efficiency, offering a more minimalist experience. Let's dive into their unique strengths. When it comes to features, VS Code boasts an extensive ecosystem with tens of thousands of extensions, providing integrated Git control and a powerful debugging experience right out of the box. Sublime Text, while offering fewer built-in features, compensates with its highly efficient package control system for community plugins. Its lightning-fast search and navigation, like Go to Anything, are truly exceptional for quick code access. Performance is a key differentiator. Sublime Text is renowned for its incredible speed, often launching in under 1 second and maintaining a very low memory footprint, typically below 100 megabytes. VS Code, built on the Electron framework, can be more resource-intensive. Its startup might take a few seconds, and memory usage can easily climb to several hundred megabytes, especially with many extensions running simultaneously. Consider your system's capabilities. Both editors have vibrant communities, though VS Code's is significantly larger due to its open-source nature and Microsoft's support. This translates to abundant resources and frequent updates. Sublime Text, while having a smaller community, offers excellent official documentation and a stable, mature platform. Ultimately, your decision hinges on your priorities. Do you prefer a feature-rich, integrated environment, or a lightning-fast, minimalist editor? Both are fantastic tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.